For the first time in 2014, Black, Hispanic, Asian, and Native American students made up the majority of 50,000 students in the nation's public schools. This trend will continue on, and by 2023, students of color will make up 55% of the K-12 student population. So how can teachers keep up with this ever-growing diversity in our student population? How will we provide quality education for this new population? And how will we close the achievement gap that we know is a problem for our culturally and linguistically diverse students? Looking for the answer to these questions? Are you feeling a little lost? Well, look no further. Culturally Responsive Teaching and the Brain by Zaretta Hammond is the book for you. Through this book, Hammond will teach you to optimize student engagement and facilitate deeper learning. Does it sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. She'll teach you to help students transition from dependent learners to independent thinkers through this Ready for Rigor framework. The Ready for Rigor framework encompasses the 4 practice areas of culturally responsive teaching: awareness, learning partnerships, information processing, and community building to maximize student potential. So are you ready to step up your teaching game and really make a difference in your students' lives? Pick up Culturally Responsive Teaching and the Brain today.